Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one's a Designo Cardinal Red Metallic. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 255 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one has adaptive high beam assist, AMG line with the AMG exterior and interior, 20-inch multi-spoke AMG wheels, diamond style grille, an AMG MB text interior with a dark gray ash wood trim, sunroof, ambient lighting, GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a brand new set of clean floor mats, all season and regular, blind spot assist, Burmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, Mercedes-Benz logo, illuminated door sill, heated steering wheel, smartphone integration with Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, touchpad steering wheel controls, paddle shifters for extra performance, push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, touchscreen, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, touchpad for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for different driving patterns. This GLC has 5,838 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this 2021 GLC 300 4MATIC Coupe, visit us at feldmannimports.com.